Hello everybody, it's me! It's me, Code Tucker Looter. And here we have our very first introduction to JavaScript. Yes, because we're gonna do Python and JavaScript at the same time, and hopefully I can create a web page, in the long run, where I can, do all the interface and the GUI and all the user interface with JavaScript, and the server it will be managed in Python. I think you can do that. So now that we are in our second video of Python, I decided to create my first video of JavaScript to get along with the project. So without further ado, this is the book that I'm going to reference to. Beginning JavaScript by Jeremy Mcpeak, which you can find it online. It's pretty good. It's a 5th edition. It has been there for quite a time, actually. I actually got this book. I've downloaded this book quite a long time ago. So without further ado, guys, let's get into JavaScript. We're gonna start with some exercises. Chapter 1 and all that stuff. We're gonna enlarge this. There you go. That's how I like it. And what you guys are going to do here is create a folder called beginning JavaScript, which I did, and this is my Git repository, which I'm going to link. I can't link yet. I need to wait for a confirmation from YouTube in order to give links, like external links from other pages in my description, in my video descriptions. So for right now, just enter my GitHub code looter, where I can have all the chapters and exercises in a very timely manner, so you guys can fork and put the branch in the repository, so you can input your own code and examples and exercises over there. So first things first is we have here, Visual Studio here in chapter 1. And here in chapter 1, example 1, we're going to create chapter 1 sample 1.html. There you go. Awesome. And we're going to write the following code. All right. Duck type. Let's do duck type HTML. Head. Nice. Meta char set equals UTF. Okay, it's not as intuitive as a Python intelligence, I guess. And we have also title. The title here is going to be chapter 1 sample 1. There, that's the title of the web page right there. Let's get you can always try to save every time that you finish a statement. That's a pet peeve from me, actually. We're going for the body background color equals white. This actually goes inside the body. Background color. Then we have here the first paragraph. Paragraph 1. And finally the script here. The script is basically where your JavaScript script goes. Jesus, that's a mouthful. Document bg color equals red. semicolon. We end all these statements of JavaScript with a semicolon. And with that being said, where is my HTML finished statement? There you go. All right, now with all that, let's get going into a browser. I think Opera can do the job, right? Let's go into a browser here. Let's go for Opera. And let's find our, there we go. Oh, I think we can open it like that. Okay, well, let me see. Let's do something better. Here. Let's click, drag and drop our file, our HTML file, in an empty browser web page, and okay. Okay. Let's do something. Damn it. Okay. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna click over here, okay? Click the file, and if you can see here, it is color red. There you go. There you go. See, that's what it, and that's my paragraph right there. You see my paragraph right there? That's my paragraph right there. Beautiful, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Yep. And that is our first code in JavaScript, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Thank you, JavaScript. Let's get going with more exercises, shall we? Yeah, let's read what the book says about it. So the page is contained within an HTML and HTML tags. This block contains a body element. When you define the opening body tag, you use HTML to set the page's background color to white. Body page color to white. So you set the default color to white. Then you let the browser know that your next lines of code are JavaScript code by using the script start tag. Everything from here until the close tag script is JavaScript and is treated as such by the browser. Within this script block, you use JavaScript to set the document's background color to red. Document background color, red. What you might call the page is known as the document for the purpose of scripting in a web page. The document has lots of properties, including its background color, BG color. You can reference properties of the document by writing document, followed by a dot, followed by the property name. Don't worry about the use of document at the moment. You look at it in a greater depth later in the book. Okay, cool. So note that the preceding line of code is an example of JavaScript statement. Every line of code between the script and end of script tags is called statement, although some statements may run on to more than one line, of course. You will also see there's a semicolon at the end of the line. You use a semicolon in JavaScript to indicate the end of a statement. That's basically for every programming language that is not Python. Python does not end the statements with a semicolon. In practice, JavaScript is very relaxed about the need for semicolons, and when you start a new line, JavaScript will usually be able to work out whether you mean to start a new line of code. However, for good coding practice, you should use a semicolon at the end of the statement of code, and a single JavaScript statement should fit onto one line rather than continue onto two or more lines. Moreover, you will find some situations in which you must include a semicolon, which you will come to later in the book. Finally, to tell the browser to stop interpreting your text as JavaScript and start interpreting it as HTML, you use the script close tag close script. Basically, that's how it is. So let's jump into the next, how you call it? Next, exercises. All right. So let's go for chapter 1, sample2.html. Doc type. I'm going to finish this already, so I don't have any problems in the future. HTML language, English language, to close it. There we go. And in here, well, look at that, it made itself. I'm a goofball. Let's get going with the head. And the head, you have meta, charset, UTF, title, chapter 1, sample 2, and we are going out of the head right here. Excuse me. Going with the body. In the body we have, oh, of course, we change the color, which color, to white. Paragraph 1. And here we start our script journey again. Script block 1. So that's a comment right there. And we put an alert over here. First script block statement. Paragraph 2. And then we start with script again. All right. And now we start with paragraph 3, which won't contain any JavaScript whatsoever. All right, and now let's go to our trusty and dandy web page. Folder. We go with chapter 1, example number 2. So, and here we are. This page says first script block. You click OK, and then it says this page says second script block. So what it says. When you load the page, you should see the first paragraph. Paragraph 1 followed by a message box displayed by the first script block. The browser halts its parsing until you click the OK button. As you see in figure. Okay, paragraph 1 right there. Click the OK button and the parsing continues. The browser displays the second paragraph and the second. Let's see what happened here. Why didn't see our background color turn into red? Is something that I miss. Which color? White. To script. Background color white. Paragraph 1. Script 1. Comment alert first script block. Paragraph 2. Script block 2. Alert second script block. Let's see. If we manage to, okay, let's start over again. Okay. Okay. Weird, huh? Let's see. If I would attempt to change it to what example it is in example 1, right? Document background color to red. So let's see if we can do something like this. And change it here like that. Then we go opera again. Oh, I think because okay. Let's see if this works now. Okay. There we go. Oh. Well, yeah, kind of, right? Right? The paragraph 3 though. Something's amiss. I think they forgot something. They had to errata this. I guess. Okay. Well, if I miss something and you guys have the book, please let me know in the comments, okay? That'll be cool to ponder why it shows, the color red here. Okay, and again the parsing continues with the third paragraph 3 being displayed with pages complete as shown in figure. Okay, I mean we have the background. The first part of the page is the same as in our earlier example. The background color for the page is set to white in the definition of the body tag and in the paragraph. Okay. So it's talking about the comments. Yeah, okay. Functions, okay. Yeah, I mean basically we did that, right? Document picture color to red. Large second script block, okay. Okay. So in the exercise it didn't show this line over here. But I mean we can infer that they did it, right? Okay. And that is we'll try how displaying. Okay, let's see. We have another example. We have another exercise here in yes, we have other exercises. Let's see if this could be our last exercise, and we can leave it to there. For now, okay, let's see. So this is chapter 1, sample 3.html. If you hear honking, that's the train. I live in a really small rural area, and there's a train going every 30 minutes to 1 hour. It's a cargo train. Anyway, let's get going with this. Doc type. Okay. HTML lang again. That will create our head. Okay, we'll create our HTML closing tag. We have the head here. Go for meta charset UTF-8. Title chapter 1 sample 3. End of the head, we're going for the body equals ooh, look at this, we have paragraph, but we don't end the paragraph right there. We create an ID called results. Interesting. and then we start with the script. I'd like to give some spaces here, just for the sake of simplicity and understand, and get element by ID, right? What? Results. Inner HTML. Say hello. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, we are into hello world territory here. Hello world. And JavaScript. And let's go to our folder. And hello world. Yay! Guys, we created hello world. We are the best programmer in the world. Hello world. Hello world. So yeah, let's break it down for a bit, okay? Okay, so the first part of the page is the same as in our earlier examples, but things start to change when you reach this line. P, paragraph ID results. You'll notice the P element has been given an ID using the ID attribute. This ID must be unique in the web page because it is used by JavaScript to identify the specific HTML element in the following line. Document get element by ID result. That inner HTML equals hello world. We are assigning hello world to the ID results. Yep, like it says, don't worry if this seems complex at the moment. It's very rudimentary JavaScript, by the way. IDs are like, you're gonna use IDs a whole bunch in JavaScript. And I think with that, we're gonna give it a pause or give it a stop to this lecture, to this part. It's gonna be our first part of the beginning JavaScript with the book of Mr. Mcpeak. So thank you very much, guys. Click like, subscribe, and see you guys next time in the Python coding and JavaScript coding. And hold on, because I'm trying to do some live streaming that's going to be more like ASMR kind of thing, where I'm not going to talk that much. I'm just simply going to focus on writing funny little Python, JavaScript, C# projects, like little projects. Okay? Well, thank you very much, guys, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.